Hey guys, Motor Car Nut here, and today I got a more or less like a tip for you, just in case you may not know about your Ford product, maybe an Escape or the Focus or a lot of Ford products. We're talking about Ford. A lot of cars do this, but when you open the gas cap, let's say you get stuck on the side of the road, you ran low on fuel. Sometimes it happens, even though it has many warning lights, and but just sometimes it happens. Now let's say you want to go and put gas in your car, right? So now you go, okay, don't have a cap, but it's good. It's got the thing in there, no problem. Let's get a funnel. I'm gonna go to the gas station, maybe a couple of miles away, come back, and everything will be good. But you have to know this little thing that if you put any kind of funnel in there, it's not going in. You see over here? You see inside over there? It's not going in. You can push it all you want. It's not going in. And the reason for that is basically so no one steals your fuel. So, because this does not have a lock. It just opens up like this, and there's no gas cap with a lock. So someone can just, put a hose in here and siphon out your gas, if you had gas, and, you don't want that. So what they did, and you got to make sure you're going on a road trip or something like that, you don't forget, is you look inside the car, all right, and you got to find something that looks like this. You see this? That's the funnel adapter. Now, you may think, because you get confused when you put gas in the car, you never have that problem. The gas goes right in. But if you notice, the gas nozzle on the gas is about that size, isn't it? So that's what this is for. When you put this in like this, look at that. Now it's opened up all the way. And now you can put a funnel. Even though this funnel is small, but you get the idea. Now you can put a funnel in there, and now you can fill it up. All right? So what it has is basically, it's like if you were getting a nozzle, filling up your car with gas, the gas nozzle, like I just said, is about this size. So when you put it in there and go like that, you have no problems. So let's say this thing is missing and you get stuck on the side of the road, you're going to have a problem. Unless you call somebody and then they're going to charge you, who knows how much, for something that could be avoided if you make sure you have this piece. All right? Because again, won't go in. This way. Goes in, no problem. What it does, there's little tongs in here, right? So when you push this in, it opens up the tongs and releases the back door in there. And that's what gives you the access to put it in like that. And then you get this in there and you're good to go. All right? Just a tip, and it could save you a lot of money. Does this have, this doesn't have any kind of a, let me see if this has any kind of a model number on it. I don't know. It does, but you probably have to look up for your vehicle. I really can't make it out what it is. If I find the numbers, I'll put it in the description. All right, guys, so just, another tip. It's something simple, but you can imagine if you don't have this in the back of the car and you assume that this was good enough, you're not going to be able to get gas in your vehicle. All right, guys, Motor Car Nut, please subscribe, hit that like button. Any questions pertaining to this video, leave them below. I answer all my questions. I try to help everybody as much as I can. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.